Good morning.
No,
How
good
are you
morning,
all?
ma'am.
How are you all?
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How are you?
Morning. I'm fine, ma'am.
All
I'm fine,
fine.
thank you. I'm fine, thank you.
Okay.
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, tell me which lesson we are learning now?
Precision of
Composition of air.
air.
Composition of air.
Air.
Okay. What are things we have learned? Let me mute everyone. Please wait. Or else you people will make a lot of noise.
Good afternoon.
So we have composition of air. And we all know that in the previous class we learned about air is a mixture of different gases. Air is a mixture of different gases. Can you hear me? Give me a thumbs up. Okay. Air is the mixture of different gases. And what are gases? Gases are the substances that can move around freely. And there are three main gases present in the air: oxygen, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen are the three main gases present in the air. Do you all remember? And there are carbon dioxide and there are some other gases are present in the air in a smaller amount. They are present in the air, but in a smaller amount. Have you all understood, children? Air also contains water vapor and dust. Air also contains water vapor and dust. And we have discussed about what name the gas present in the air that we human beings need to breathe. Oxygen. We need to breathe in oxygen. During our breathing process, which gas we take into our body? We take in oxygen. And which gas we release into the air? We give out. We give out carbon dioxide. And for the plants preparing their food, okay, plants, they need to prepare their food. Okay, during their food preparing process, that means their photosynthesis, during that process, all the plants, they need carbon dioxide from the air to prepare their food. All these points we have discussed in the previous class. Yes. Now this is the time I just want to ask some questions to you. Are we supposed to cut down the trees unnecessarily? Yes. I want, who is in the chat box? Please don't chat in the chat box, please. Raika can unmute, Adita unmute, Adinad unmute.
Ma'am.
Okay. Now tell me, name the gas. Siddharth have to say the answer. Siddharth, name the gas that present in the air that we humans need to breathe.
Oxygen.
Very good, very good. Now, I want Naila to answer. Okay, for preparing their food, which gas the plant need from the air? Plants need water, air, then all the nutrients from the soil. Who will say the answer? Tell me.
Ma'am Devananda.
Devananda, say the answer. Name the gas that present in the air that plant need to prepare its own food.
Ma'am, carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide, very good. During our breathing process, we take in oxygen to our body and we release carbon dioxide into the air. And for the plants, are we supposed to prepare food for the plants or they have to prepare their own food? They have to, yeah, they have to prepare their own food. Nobody is there to make their food. For making their food, for preparing their food, what all things a plant need? A plant needs sunlight, water and nutrients from the soil, and carbon dioxide from the air. Okay. Now, which part of a plant prepare its own food for the plant? Okay, tell me, what is the kitchen of the plant? Which part is considered the leaf? Okay. Which part of a plant is known as the food factory of a plant? Leaf. Very good. Very good. So, are we supposed to cut down the plants unnecessarily?
No.
No. Okay, if we cut down the trees, what will happen? The level of we won't get any fresh air. Do we get enough oxygen if we cut down the trees? No, never, never. Because the plants only giving oxygen to us. During their food preparing process, all the plants take and all the plants take, they absorb carbon dioxide from the air and they release oxygen into the air that we need to breathe, that animals need to breathe. We all need oxygen to breathe. Do you remember all those points?
Yes.
Now tell me, are we supposed to cut down the plants and trees? Never. Never. If we cut down the trees, what will happen? The level of carbon dioxide will increase in the air. The level of carbon dioxide will increase in the air and we won't get enough and fresh oxygen and finally we may die. Have you all understood, children? One more point we discussed in the previous class. Okay, there are some harmful substances that present in the air. There are some harmful substances present in the air, like smoke, dust, smoke from the factories and dust from the vehicles. The presence of such harmful substances in the air is known as air pollution. Tell me everyone, the presence of such harmful substances in the air is known as air pollution. Okay, now substances that make the air dirty, are called pollutants. Very good, pollutants. There are some. And are we supposed to burn firecrackers? Why? The smoke coming out from the firecrackers, that is also a pollutant. Firecrackers also a pollutant. That contains a lot of chemicals. Okay, the firecrackers are made up of chemicals which catch the fire easily. They make a lot of noise. They also add harmful smoke to the environment, to the surroundings, and that will lead to air pollution. Okay? Firecrackers, we used to burn firecrackers in our special occasions, that Diwali, Holi, then our festive season, our church feast, Eid. For our festive seasons, our festivals, we used to burn firecrackers, and what ma'am is saying, to avoid this air pollution, we must avoid firecrackers. We should avoid. Can we stop burning firecrackers?
Yes.
I'll show you some pictures that once again I'll show you some pictures. Smoke from the factories that will lead to air pollution. Then see the dark smoke is coming out from the factories. Just
Yes.
imagine, just imagine if we breathe these polluted air, this polluted air get into our body, what will happen? Definitely we may fall sick. Our lungs may affected. Hmm? And if we breathe this smoke continuously, it will damage our lungs, asthma, bronchitis, and the deadly disease cancer. Okay. Now, see the smoke coming out from the car, the truck, from the truck.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so all these will lead to air pollution. All these will lead to air pollution. Now look at the bird, the smoke coming out from the car. Okay, now the smoke coming out from the burning logs. Raika, sit properly. Are you
Yes, ma'am.
playing with someone else? What happened?
No.
Okay. Are you okay, baby?
Yes.
Okay, good one, good. So the smoke coming out from the burning woods. See the smoke, how much it is coming and spreading and mixing in the air? Oh, it will also create air pollution. And see the kerosene lamp, the smoke coming out from the kerosene lamp. It will also lead to air pollution. Now, here ma'am is going to discuss how can we keep our air clean? How can we? Okay, we have to follow some methods to keep our air clean. Plant trees. We need to plant more and more trees. Can you see the picture? One small child, he is planting a sapling. Can you see the picture? So we have to plant more trees. Plants absorb the carbon dioxide and give out oxygen that we need to breathe. Someone is reading loudly. Who is that? They help to keep the air clean and healthy. And we feel fresh when we are in a field, a garden, or a forest. It is therefore, it's very important to plant trees. So we need to plant trees. Plants absorb carbon dioxide and give out oxygen that we need to breathe. It supplies oxygen to the air. Now, next point. Use smoke-free lamps and stoves. We should avoid using cooking stoves and lamps which give out smoke. That's what I told you. We must avoid kerosene lamp. And some cooking items, the burning wood, logs of wood, that will create a smoke. Are we supposed to use that for cooking? The logs of wood? No, no, no. Why? It will give such smoke to the environment and that smoke mix in the air and our air will be polluted. Now, what's the next picture? Stop burning garbage. We should not burn garbage in our neighborhood. Plastics in the garbage give out harmful gases on burning. Have you all understood? Stop burning garbage. We should not burn garbage into our neighborhood. Plastic in the garbage give out harmful gases on burning. We are not supposed to burn plastic. The harmful gas coming out from the plastic, when we burn the plastic, that will create a lot of diseases. That is cancer. The deadly disease cancer when we breathe, burning plastic, the smoke coming out from the plastic. Now, the next point, use well-maintained vehicles. Vehicles that we are using should be maintained very well. Okay, that should not be old. The old vehicles that give out harmful gases. And that harmful gases also mix with the air. And see the firecrackers. That will also pollute the air. See the firecrackers? Anyway, it looks so beautiful. But are we supposed to use firecrackers? Oh
No.
no, no. When we burn the firecrackers, the smoke, the harmful chemicals are inside the firecrackers that will catch the fire easily, and they make a lot of noise. They also add harmful smoke into the air that causing air pollution. See the firecrackers?
Oh.
See the firecrackers? And one person, he is working in a firecrackers, the people firecracker factory. And their life also very dangerous because they are handling these chemicals every day, and so many deadly diseases they will get if they work continuously in these firecrackers factories. Have you all understood, children?
Yes.
So how can we keep our air clean? How can we keep our air clean? Plant more trees, use smoke-free lamps and stoves, and stop burning garbage, and use well-maintained vehicles, and stop burning plastic, and do not use firecrackers. Do not use firecrackers.
Firecrackers. No need.
Firecrackers, the smoke coming out from the firecrackers, that will very harmful to the environment. Do you want to watch a video of firecrackers?
Yes.
Yeah, I'll share one video to you, then you will
Okay, ma'am.
wait. Okay, before that, I just want to ask some more questions to you. The presence of harmful substances in the air is called.
Yes.
The presence of harmful substances in the air is called air
Polluted.
pollution. Air pollution. Very good, very good. Substances which make the air dirty. Which make the air dirty.
Pollutants.
Pollutants. Very good. Name the gas present in the air that we need to breathe.
Oxygen.
Name the gas present in the air that the plants need.
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide. Very good, very good. Now, are we supposed to cut down the trees?
No.
Are we supposed to burn the garbage?
No.
Burn plastic?
No.
Okay. Can we plant more saplings?
Yes.
Are we supposed to use firecrackers during festivals and special occasions? No, never. Now, I'll share one video. You can watch the video.
അമ്മൂമ്മ മിണ്ടാണ്ടിരിക്കാൻ മിണ്ടാണ്ടിരിക്കാൻ.
Can you hear me, children?
Yes.
One minute. Can you hear the sound, children?
No.
You can't hear the sound?
No.
Can you hear the sound?
No.
Hear the sound? Can you hear the sound of the video?
No. No.
ശബ്ദം തന്നെ പൊട്ടിക്കഴിയുമ്പോൾ കളർ കാണില്ല.
You are watching the firecrackers video. It is actually not good for the environment. The harmful smoke coming out from these firecrackers will pollute the air. We are not supposed to use these firecrackers.
Nice.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. The firecrackers, we are not supposed to use firecrackers. They will pollute the smoke coming out. The firecrackers will pollute the environment. And do you know there are many people who work in firecrackers factory? They also suffer from skin and lung problems. You know, it is very dangerous to work in those factories that they are made or that they are God. I will share one video how to make these firecrackers. Do you want to see that?
Yes. Yes.
Some places, some children are also forced to work in this firecrackers factory. That is very, very dangerous.
Dangerous.
Okay, now I will share one video to you about the firecrackers, how to make factory.
देखिए दिवाली में पटाखों की आतिशबाजी हुई तो आपने जरूर देखी होगी। ये सच में एक उनका एक्सपीरियंस होता है और आप में से बहुत से लोगों ने तो इन पटाखों को दिवाली में यूज भी किया होगा। आज हम आपको इन्हीं पटाखों यानी फायर क्रैकर्स को फैक्ट्री में कैसे बनाया जाता है इसके बारे में बताएंगे। ये वो आपके लिए बड़ी मेहनत से बनाया
You
है।
are watching the firecrackers, how it made in the factories. Dangerous workplaces, this firecrackers.
हर कोई पसंद करता है कुछ इसको बनाने के लिए सबसे पहले जिन्हें एक एक करके लगाया जाता है।
Firecrackers. Firecrackers. Mama.
स्पार्कलर सॉल्यूशन को पोटेशियम क्लोराइड, एल्यूमिनियम और मैग्नीशियम, सल्फर, पोटेशियम नाइट्रेट, शुगर और स्टार्च एज ए बाइंडर इन लोगों से बनाया जाता है। फिर ये स्पार्कलर्स फूटने के बाद उन पर मैग्नीशियम पाउडर को डालते हैं, जिससे स्पार्कलर्स जब भी जलाई जाती है तब उसमें से सिल्वर स्पार्क्स निकलते हैं और आखिर में एक कर्मचारी की मदद से उन्हें बॉक्स में पैक किया जाता है। इन पटाखों को बनाने के लिए सबसे पहले पेपर की लंबी सी ट्यूब
Can you see that how the firecrackers are not good for our body?
बनाए गए राउंड की ऊपर की तरफ से टिश्यू पेपर लगाया जाता है और नीचे की तरफ से मिट्टी को लगाया जाता है। बारूद ट्यूब से बाहर न निकलता है और उन्हें धूप में सूखने के लिए रखते हैं। सूखने के बाद टिश्यू पेपर वाली साइड से उनमें धूप दिए जाते हैं। डाला जाता है, सूखने के लिए रखा जाता है, इसे तोड़ा जाता है और पटाखों को अलग किया जाता है। इसके बाद सभी क्रैकर्स को हाथ बांधकर उनकी लड़ी बनाने का काम दिया जाता है और उन्हें प्लास्टिक में पैक कर दिया जाता है। अभी आपने जो प्रोसेस देखी है वो पूरी तरह से हैंडमेड थी, लेकिन इन क्रैकर्स को चलने जैसे देशों में मशीन से भी बनाया जाता है। मशीन पेपर स्ट्रिप से रोल बनाने का काम करती है।
So, have you watched the firecrackers factory? Huh?
Yes.
So what those people are doing, and the work is very dangerous too. Even the small children also in some places, they are also forced to work in firecrackers factory. So that's all for today. Let us wind up the class.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
And how can we keep the air clean? And we learned about firecrackers, the bad effects of the firecrackers. Okay, that's all for today. The next class we can discuss the word for Kansas. Bye-bye.
Bye. 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 Bye.
Take care. Love you.
Thank you.